Well, this was just a quick look at Levisham station on the North Yorkshire Railway, Moors Railway. North Yorkshire Moors Railway. I got taken here by my family just to have a quick look, and we managed to catch the S15 on its return trip to where's it going? Oh my word, back to Pickering. Sorry, I'm editing this at the moment, miles away, but yeah, a busy day was had yesterday and today, so I'll show you what we've been up to.
What time is the last train? We can walk away.
Oh, it's alright.
Are you ready afterwards?
Yeah, I can do if I knew what I was doing. Look at this wooden carriage. A little look in the lamp room. I don't know if my camera's picking much of this up, but there's so many old lamps in there. Look at that. And he's coming out with a token. It's that S15 again, I reckon. Look at that, Ralphie. It's a real one. Pay up again, driver. Everybody's waving. No takers. I wonder where she goes again. Oh, that's twice we've seen the S15 in action. That's Alan just about to leave Yorkshire going north. Up at Levisham station on the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. Excellent stuff. Catch up with you soon. That's Alan out. Just swapping tracks. Well, it's single track after this. Take care, Alan out. Well, it looks like it's bye to Yorkshire. That's Alan going north. See what we can find. We've moved on to the Wensleydale Railway. Let's go and have a little look. I'm going to look at the stations down the line and see what's going on. I'm not sure how far the line goes that way, but I know it goes this way quite a few miles. So Leeming Bar, I don't think the station's open, but I could be wrong. Let's go and have a look. Excuse the camera work, I've got the zoom on. That's better. I know these were built by British Leyland buses, I think. Not sure about that. That looks a little bit more sturdy. Looks like a Mark 1 coach with a new front on. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Well, I must say that coach there, which I think is no, I won't think what it is. It's probably a Mark 2, Mark 3. Another one of those British Leylandy things. And it looks like the shop's open, so let's go and have a look. Yes, these doors are very much like bus doors. I've got one on my camper van. It's almost like they come out the same box. And I think they were made by British Leyland. I'm not sure, don't quote me wrong. No, I don't think it's open today, but there's things going on. Up the line I can see if my zoom will work, a class 20 and a class 37, I think. Let's go and have a look at the workshops. Well, here's a lovely big pile of coal, and yeah, shunter being rebuilt. The lads are here, busy. I'm not sure what they're up to. So let's go and have another look round. Well, there seems to be a lot going on. There's some coaches have been completely done up. These look a bit like they're, well, they're in fair fettle. Something here called Stephanie. This looks like it should be on a HST. A lovely little signal box. I have got a soft spot for signal boxes. Because my channel, it is named after a signal box. So nice shunter here. Just have a look, see what I can see down the line. Definitely a 20 and a 37. And some rake of coaches down there. And I think another HST carriage just there, look. Excuse the camera work, because I can't really see the LED screen very well and I've got no viewfinder. Right, let's go and have a look. I might have to go further down the line to the next station. So let's go. So, bye bye Leeming Bar. Interesting stations and good things to look at. And I think this is the end or the start of the line. Excuse me for being patriotic, but what a beautiful car. From 2004, an MG. But now we're at Bedale Station. I take it this is a good shift now, something else. Craft yard. This is Bedale Station. Let's go and have a look, because I can see there's a lovely signal box there. There we go, we're standing on Bedale Station. There's the signal cabin there. Yeah, there. Oh, have I got it right? Yeah, there, that's it. Looks like a bit of a head shunt going on here. There is a good yard, but it's not a good yard anymore. And this is the station. Not a great deal to see here, but let's go and have a look at the other end. Well, there's a station building. Look at it, I can see a mark down the wall where the old canopy was. That's the good sheds down there. And I gather it would have been a double, yes, I can see some track in the grass, so it would have been double track. Yeah, looking at the size of those gates, yeah, double track. So I'm off to, what is it, Walton Willow now station to see what they've got there. That's Alan at Bedale. Alan out. Here we are at Layburn station. It says when station closed, please access platform at end of building. So it looks like I might be able to get on there. Here we are. Layburn station. Layburn? Yeah, Layburn station. There's not much to see, but we're going to have a look. This is the other side of the station building, but nothing happening here. Got some gravel wagons. Western Railway, I think. Oh, I'm not sure. It said we was in the county of Richmondshire, which I've never heard of before. But look at this. Look at that. It's even got a snowplow underneath it. Wow, that's nicely done. Shark. Isn't that wonderful? There's one more station further up the road in a little tiny village. I'm not going to go there. I've got another venue in hand. We have got a water crane, homemade water crane here for the steamers, but look at that, isn't that wonderful? Got to take a picture of that. So I'm off to another railway, another preserved railway now, so bear with me. Take care. That's Alan out on Layburn station. Alan out. Oh.